Hi guys, Lounge Master here. Please watch this video to the end. Actually, the bluebird you're seeing trapped in the branches of acacia tree, hanging head down. It really caught our attention yesterday when we had it flapping wings helplessly and in hysteria, trying to escape, but up to no avail. And we figured we help it. So I summoned to my aid. The rescue team consisted of 3 men, Pastor Mutuka, Joshua Shalom, and Raphael Wambua. And we thought it expedient to use a long stick and perhaps climb on top of the toilet roof that was under this particular acacia tree. And as you can see, the exercise is going on. I'm meticulously working with this long piece of wood not to hurt the bird. And as you can see, the exercise is going on. Since the exigency of the bird demanded that we should take an immediate action. And as you can see, the exercise is over and our rescue mission is successful. So we tried releasing the bird in the air, but it could not fly. We rescued the bird in just 5 minutes without unduly exerting ourselves. The bird was also unconscious, so we really tried our level best to resuscitate it, of which our effort bore much fruits, as you can see in the video. We also tried to feed the bird and gave it water as well, but the bird refused to eat. So we figured we leave it for a while and maybe see how it will behave. So we decided to put it in a safe place where there was no intruders or predators until the following day. So as you can see in this video here, at least the look upon the bird's face, it's a little bit promising. As you can see, we really tried our level best. So in the morning when we came actually to free the bird, this is what became of the bird. Definitely it succumbed at night due to the injury and maybe hunger. That was our conclusion, though we could not exactly establish what might have killed the bird, but we really gave it our best. Sometimes unthinkable happen when you least expect it. Thanks to the rescue team, you really did a stupendous job. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and share the video.